Good morning children, welcome to St. Claret online classes. Every day we learn IIT chemistry in 7th class. In 7th class, having 3 units. First unit what children? Basic terminology. In basic terminology, first concept terms in chemistry. Terms in chemistry over. Next, second concept electropositivity and electronegative elements. Third concept valency. Fourth concept, what is fourth concept? Oxidation numbers or oxidative states. Yesterday we learnt what is definition of the oxidation state or examples. Next, determination of the oxidation number. We are discussed yesterday four rules. What is the first? What is definition? First you say children. What is definition of the oxidation state? Oxidation state can be defined as number which indicate the number of electrons loose or gained or shared during the formation of chemical compound is called oxidation state or number. Another definition is there. What is another definition children? The oxidation state or number defined as the apparent charged ions is called oxidation number or oxidation state. Next, what is examples of oxidation number? We take one compound hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen oxidation number +1. In chlorine oxidation number -1. Okay. For example, sodium chloride, another compound, sodium oxidation number +1, chlorine oxidation number -1. Those are examples of oxidation states. Next one, oxidation states are expressed in positive values and negative values. Positive values, negative values and zero values. So noble gas exhibit oxidation number 0. Okay children. Next, yesterday we learned what is determination of oxidation numbers or states. How we find oxidation number? We are follows some rules. We have 14 rules. Yesterday we learned 4 rules. What is first rule children? What is first rule? Rule number 1. What is the first rule? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms are equals to 0. What is examples? Example in rule number 1. KMnO4. In KMnO4, in given compound, in this compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms are equals to 0. So here how many atoms is there children? 1 potassium, 1 manganese, 4 oxygen. So sum of the oxidation number of potassium plus oxidation number of manganese plus oxidation number here how many oxygens is there children? 4 into oxidation number of oxygen. What is first rule? Rule number 1. The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms are equals to 0. So here oxidation number of potassium which group element? First group elements valence electron 1. So oxidation number +1. So if you take metal now, that time we take oxidation number plus. If you take non-metal now, that time you take oxidation number minus. So here oxidation number of potassium +1 plus oxidation number of manganese +7. Keep in your mind, manganese one of the D block element, oxidation number +7 plus 4 into oxidation number -2. Oxygen which group element children? 6 group element. So valency of non-metal group number -8. Group number -8. Oxygen 6 group -8. So -2. Oxidation number of oxygen -2. So here +1 +7 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So sum of the in given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. This is first rule children. What is second rule? The elementary forms, the oxidation number of elementary forms is always 0. Elementary forms mean like this H2, M2, O2, Cl2, I2, F2, S8, Se8, those all are elementary forms. Elementary forms oxidation number always 0. Elementary forms oxidation number always 0. This is rule number 2. Next, rule number 3, what children? Rule number 3, the oxidation number of alkali metals iron, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So those elements oxidation number +1. So what is third rule, Nana? The oxidation number of alkali metals. Alkali metals mean first group elements. Alkali metals is always +1. Keep in your mind. Okay, alkali metals which element चल रहे हैं? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Those elements oxidation number +1. But here in first group hydrogen is there. But hydrogen here no need. Why? Because hydrogen sometimes act in metal, sometimes act in non-metal. So here don't consider in hydrogen element. Lithium onwards up to francium oxidation number +1. Okay, children. Next, rule number 4. What is rule number 4? The oxidation number of alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals means second group elements. The oxidation number. So those oxidation number +1. Those elements oxidation number +1. Oxidation number of alkaline earth metals. That means second group. Alkaline earth metals mean second group. What is how many elements is there second group, children? What is the elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Those elements are second group elements. In second group elements, oxidation number is always +2. Keep in your mind. What is alkali earth metals? Second group elements. What, children? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So those are elements oxidation number +2. Okay. Yesterday we learned 4 rules. We are going to know rule number 5. We are discussed now rule number 5. 4 rules over. What is first rule, children? The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Next, rule number 2. The oxidation number of elementary forms is always 0. Elementary forms mean H2, N2, O2, Cl2, F2, Br2, like that. Okay. Next, rule number 3. What, children? The oxidation number of alkali metals mean first group elements is always +1. Next, rule number 4. What is rule number 4? The oxidation number of alkaline earth metals mean the second group elements. Second group elements oxidation number always +2. So now we are discuss rule number 6. Rule 6. How we find oxidation number follows some rules. We have 14 rules already over 4 rules, 5 rules. Now we discuss rule number 5. 4 is over. Rule number 5. Rule number 5 very simple. Generally, hydrogen oxidation number +1. Why? Because in hydrogen present in first group element. That's why hydrogen oxidation number +1. Generally, hydrogen oxidation number +1. But metal hydrides oxidation number of hydrogen -1. Keep in your mind, Nana. Here hydrogen oxidation number +1. Generally hydrogen oxidation number +1. Why? Because hydrogen present in first group element. So that's why group number is equal to oxidation number. That's why hydrogen oxidation number +1. But here metal hydrides, the oxidation number of hydrogen -1. Okay, this is rule number 5. Metal hydrides mean metal react with hydrogen. with hydrogen, that is metal hydrates. For example, we take sodium hydrate, next potassium hydrate, next magnesium hydrate, next aluminum hydrates. Those all are metal hydrates. First one, sodium hydrate. Sodium hydrate means NaH. In sodium hydrate, the oxidation number of hydrogen -1. Why? Because here sodium, if lose of 1 electron to get positive charge. Here sodium oxidation number +1. Here hydrogen to gain of 1 electron to get negative charge. Here hydrogen oxidation number -1. Here sodium oxidation number +1. Keep in your mind, children. Next example, what? Potassium hydrate. Potassium hydrate mean KH. Potassium element na first group. KH here hydrogen act as non-metal. Here hydrogen act in non-metal. So here potassium oxidation number of first we learn here oxidation number of hydrogen. So in potassium hydrate the oxidation number of hydrogen equals to -1. Next magnesium hydrate. In magnesium hydrate MgH2 generally always find first rule what? The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. In first example, sodium hydrate, the sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Sum, how many elements is there in sodium hydrate? 1 sodium, 1 hydrogen are equals to 0. What do you want here now? Find the hydrogen oxidation number of hydrogen. So here sodium oxidation number we have. Why? Because in sodium first group element, that's the sodium oxidation number +1. So here sodium oxidation number +1 plus we want hydrogen oxidation number now. So as we should write hydrogen equals to 0. Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Follow the first rule here. So here hydrogen equals to +1 goes to this side -1. Hydrogen oxidation number -1. Next example, potassium hydrate. First rule what? Sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to 0. In this compound, how many atoms is there? 2 atoms. So K plus H equals to 0. Here K oxidation number +1. First group element oxidation number +1 alkali metal. So here you want oxidation number of hydrogen. That's why I will write hydrogen here. So equal to. So +1 goes to that side. Got -1. So a metal hydrate hydrogen oxidation number -1. Generally hydrogen oxidation number +1. Generally hydrogen oxidation number +1. Except this is exception case. In exception, in metal hydrates oxidation number of hydrogen -1 like this. Next example, magnesium hydrate. In magnesium sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Follow that first rule. So Mg plus here how many hydrogens is there, children? 2 hydrogens. Why? Because in magnesium second group element. That's why the combining capacity 2 according to valency lesson. So magnesium second group element, the combining capacity 2. So that's why magnesium react with 2 hydrogen elements. So here sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Mg plus Mg oxidation number we know alkali Mg alkali earth metal second group. So oxidation number +2. Here +2 plus you want hydrogen, that's why we write as hydrogen equal to 0. So +2H equals to +2 change that side -2. Therefore H equals to -2/2. 2 to cancel, H equal to -1 oxidation number. This is next. First example, second example, third example, fourth example. What children? Hydrate. Aluminum which group element? Third group element. The combining capacity 3. That's why the complex combining capacity 3. So aluminum react with 3 hydrogen elements. So aluminum hydride. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So Al plus 3H equals to 0. Here aluminum which group element? Third group element. Group number are equals to oxidation number. Third group here aluminum oxidation number plus 3 plus 3H equals to 0. Therefore 3H equals to this 3 turns to right side minus 3. H equals to minus 3 by 3. So therefore hydrogen oxidation number minus 1. Do you understood, children? What is rule number 1? Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. What is rule number 2? The element forms oxidation number equal to 0. What is rule number 3? What is rule number 3? In alkali metals, oxidation number always plus 1. Next rule, the oxidation number of alkali earth metals always plus 2. So, fifth rule, generally hydrogen oxidation number plus 1, except in metal hydride oxidation number of hydrogen minus 1. Those all are example. Write down, children. Listen properly. Okay. Next rule, we are discussed rule number 6. Rule number 6. Rule number generally fluorine which group element? Fluorine which group element? Fluorine halogen family. Halogen family means 7th group. So here what is oxidation number of non-metals? What is oxidation number of non-metals? Non-metals. What is oxidation number of non-metals? Group number minus 8. Group number minus 8. Keep in your mind oxidation number of non-metals. Group number minus 8. Oxidation number of metals. Oxidation number of metals are equals to group number. Group number. Keep in your mind. Oxidation number of metals are equals to group number. Oxidation number of non-metals are equal to group number minus 8. Now we want the fluorine oxidation number. How is find fluorine oxidation number? Fluorine which group element? 7th group element. Halogen family. So here what is oxidation number of fluorine? So fluorine non-metal. Fluorine non-metal. That's why we apply this rule. So oxidation number of non-metal. Group number minus 8. So group number means fluorine which group? 7th group minus 8. So minus 1. Fluorine oxidation number minus 1. Fluorine, bromine, iodine, additium. If you take any element, 7th group element oxidation number minus 1. So next rule, the oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. The oxidation number of fluorine always minus 1. Rule number 7. The oxidation number of OM means oxidation number. The oxidation number of fluorine means F is always minus 1. Keep in your mind. Fluorine, bromine. If you take any element in halogen family, so oxidation number always minus 1. So we discuss some examples. Fluorine non-metal. So that's why fluorine react with metal. Sodium fluoride. Example of sodium fluoride. Next magnesium fluoride. Next aluminium fluoride. Sodium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, aluminium fluoride. This is sodium metal, magnesium metal, aluminium metal. In sodium here first group, magnesium second group element, aluminium third group element. Now we find oxidation number of fluorine, children. So first rule what, children? Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So in this compound, how many elements is there? 2 elements. So sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Na plus F equal to 0. Okay. Here sodium oxidation number plus 1. We know. Fluorine. Now we find oxidation number of fluorine. That's why I will write as is fluorine equals to 0. Here F equal to minus 1. Fluorine oxidation number minus 1. Next example, second one, magnesium fluoride. So here some of the oxidation number are equals to 0. 1 magnesium, here 2 fluorine is there, that's why right here 2 into F equals to 0. So here magnesium which group element all the metals oxidation number plus 2 into oxide. You want the fluorine oxidation number, so that's why as it is right flow F. So here plus 2, 2F plus 2 is change to this right side. No, notice will be changed. 2F equal to minus 2. So F equals to minus 2 by 2. So F equals to fluorine oxidation number equal to minus 2. So the oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. Let's start example what children? Aluminum trifluoride. Here magnesium difluoride, aluminum trifluoride and sodium fluoride. So aluminum trifluoride. Here some of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Al plus 3F equals to 0. See here aluminum which group element children? Third group. What is rule? The aluminum metal. The metals group number are equals to oxidation number. Aluminum which group element? Third group. So plus 3. 3 into F equals to 0. Here 3F equals to this 3 goes to right side minus 3. F equals to minus 3 by 3. So F 3 cancel. F equal to minus 1. This is rule number 7. The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. Next rule, rule number 8. Rule number 8. What is the rule number 6? The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. Next, the oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. Next rule. Oxygen, we take halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Oxidation number minus 1. Okay, next we are going to next rule. The oxidation number of ON mean oxidation number of oxygen. Oxidation number of oxygen is always minus 2. Why? Because oxygen non-metal. Which group element? 6th group element. So 6 minus 8 minus 2. 6 minus 8. What is the rule? What is the key point? Oxidation number of non-metals are equals to group number minus 8. The oxygen which group element? Oxygen family 6th group. So 6 minus 8 equals to minus 2. So generally oxidation number is always minus 2. Here exception is there. Except keep in your mind hydrogen peroxide. So that means peroxides. Except peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides and ozonides. Remaining all cases oxidation number minus 2 only. Except 4 rules. 4 types. What is first one? Superoxides, oxyfluoride first one, oxides, second one superoxides, third one dioxyfluorides, next one ozonides. Except 4 types. The oxidation number of oxygen is always minus 2. Except peroxides, superoxides, next oxyfluorides, next ozonides. Here oxidation number, but difference. Here peroxides 1 oxidation number exhibit like this minus 1 I think. Superoxide minus 1 by 2. Here oxyfluorides are 2 types. Dioxyfluorides, oxyfluorides are 2 types. Difluorides what is ozonides. Next, always find oxidase number also. Okay, children, read properly, write notes. I will send some bits also. You do that bits, Nana. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow.